In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable leads in Odoo CRM and create a new lead from start to finish. We'll begin inside Odoo by opening the CRM app. This is where your sales activity is managed, and it's the starting point for turning interest into real opportunities. Once you're in CRM, go to the configuration menu and then open settings. This area controls the main behavior of the CRM module, so if lead management is not currently active, this is where you turn it on. Under the CRM section in settings, find the option for leads and enable it. This step is important because Odoo can work either with direct opportunities only or with a lead qualification stage first. By enabling leads, you give your team a way to capture and review potential interest before moving it into the sales pipeline. After that, click Save to apply the change. Once the settings have been saved, go back to the top menu and click Leads. This will open the Leads view, where all incoming or newly created leads are stored. To create a new one, click New. A blank lead form will appear, ready for you to fill in. At the top of the form, enter the lead name in the main field. This should be something clear and easy to recognize, such as a product inquiry, a service request, or a possible sales opportunity. The goal is to make the record identifiable at a glance. Next, add the contact details. You can select an existing contact if the person is already in your database, or create a new contact if needed. Then enter the email address and phone number in their respective fields. Accurate contact information is essential here, since this is what your team will use for follow-up communication. After that, assign a salesperson using the Salesperson field. This makes it clear who is responsible for handling the lead and helps avoid confusion if multiple sales team members are working in the system. Now complete the remaining lead details. Set the priority based on how urgent or promising the lead is. Add tags if they help with organization or reporting, and include any useful context in the notes or extra info sections. This is a good place to capture background details that may help during qualification or future conversations. When everything is filled in, click the Save icon at the top to create the lead. Then, once the lead has been qualified and is ready to move forward, open it and click Convert to Opportunity. That action moves it into the sales pipeline, where it can be tracked as an active deal. That's how to enable leads and create them properly in Odoo CRM.